Hello YouTube, this is a video on how I made my anvil. Hello YouTube, I have here a chisel from an hydraulic breaker of an excavator, and I looked at it and I thought, well, let's make out of it an anvil, and we'll support it in a stand, and let's attach a horn to a stand. Okay, let's compare this steel with my current anvil and the small Brooks anvil over here. This is a ball bearing steel, about 1 inch. Not bad for the Brooks anvil. This is only 14 kilograms. This is my old anvil. Okay, it also jumps well. It is built from several bits of steel that I welded together. Now let's see here the chisel. Now you can hear the ring and see the rebound as well. Let's compare it with the Brooks. Let's see with the hammer. Oh yes, it rings. One more time with the ball bearing. Thank you for watching. I started the building with a broken chisel from an hydraulic breaker. It is 144 millimeters wide, 76 centimeters long. It was a bit rough and I had to cut it, to cut the edge. I don't have a video of or pictures of cutting, but it was on a chop saw, and you can see here details more or less on how it was cut. The leftover piece is like 4 kilograms. Now here it is, I used the pin for heavy vehicles, for towing heavy vehicles, and I cut it. It is mild steel, simple mild steel, and I cut it with an ordinary grinder, a little bit of the cut. I wanted to eliminate that hole over there, and you can compare here a cut pin with a hole pin. I started shaping the horn by forging. I used the help of my son and two of his friends as strikers, and this is an improvised forge you can see on the floor, because I didn't on the ground. I dug a hole on the ground, improvised the forge, because I didn't have a big enough forge to withstand the temperatures and heat up this big piece of steel. To accelerate the horn fabrication process, I simply took a bit of a pickaxe, welded it to the forged portion, and after some grinding and some welding and actually a lot of grinding, you can see here the final aspect of the horn from different perspectives. I took a bit of steel of plowshare to cap the hardy hole. I cut a hole of 25 by 25 millimeters. I also made bevels on the horn and other parts just to make better weldings, full penetration weldings between the base and the different components. And you can see here that I'm welding the horn to the main support and reinforcing the horn, and I had already some brackets. This bottom plate is 25 millimeters thick. I made some templates on paper just to make some feet to attach the anvil to the floor. Here you can see some gussets that I'm welding just to reinforce the whole structure, and here I'm heat treating the anvil. Nós. Now I had to make some clamps to attach the chisel to the main support and the horn. Here I made the templates where I used 16 millimeters thick round stock and a 5/8 threaded rod. I made just to show you details on how I made the clamps. Okay, the anvil is ready, as you can see. I painted it completely on green, then the paint will wear off where I heat the material. And we have here the horn, and we have here a support. We have here these brackets to hold the chisel, and it is not 100% ready. I'm missing here this clamp to hold it, and we have here the hardy hole. Okay, this is 25 by 25 millimeters. This is the surface of where I beat. This is the chisel from the hydraulic breaker. Nicely bound. Surprise, surprise, there is no ring, which is very nice. And the surface is not yet completely flat. And but I'm working on it slowly, because this is very hard material and I'm using flap discs. Now, let's see, I'm here straightening the handle of a fly press that I have, that it was given to me. The handle was a bit bent, so now it's straight. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's see how the horn works. I'm building here these tongues. The anvil seems to work okay. Thank you for watching.